Today we are going to pair this 15 channel remote with the two blinds. We have this 15 channel remote, and you will see the backward we have this S key, the upper confirm key and the lower confirm key, and we have this switch. When you are using it, please make sure it's in user mode, and if you want to adjust the functions of the blinds, please make sure to switch it to admin mode. And now we are going to show you how to pair this 15 channel remote with this blind. Now please hold this M button for 2 seconds. Then you will see the blind is moving forward and backward. Now you have to press the S key for 3 seconds to see the blind moving again. Now they are paired, and we are going to tell you how to set the highest upper position and the lowest lower position. First, we are going to tell you how to set the highest upper position. Now we switch it to the front, and then press the up key. If you press once, it will move like this. If you press twice, it will move smoothly and pulse. And to the highest up position, and then you stop. Now we switch it back. This is the highest position you want to keep. Then press the upper confirm button here, and you will see the blind moving. Then it's telling you that, okay, I know it. Now we turn it to the front part to set the lowest lower position. Press twice, it will go smoothly, and then stop. This is the position I want, the lowest lower position, and then switch backward. Press the lower confirm button, and the blind will move again. Now it knows. Then we switch it to the user mode to check if it knows well. Okay, we have finished how to pair with the first blind. Now we will see it's in channel 1, and the first blind is moving. Pause. Now we are going to pair the second one. First, we have to change to channel 2. Then switch to the back. Switch the button to the admin mode, and still you have to press the M key for 2 seconds to see the blind is moving. Now switch S key for 3 seconds. The blind is moving again. Now it succeeds. We will set the highest upper position and the lowest lower position. First, I want to check. Okay, now I want to press the upper key to the proper position I want. Okay, now it's the highest upper position I want, and then switch it back to press this upper confirm key. You will see the blind is moving again. Then we're gonna match the lowest lower position to the proper position you want. Okay, stop. This is the lowest lower position I want, and then switch it back to press the lower confirm key to see the blind is moving again. Now he knows. Then we switch this button to user mode to check again. Press up at channel 2. Okay, it stops automatically, and to check the lowest lower position, it stops again. If you have more than 2 lines, you can keep doing this. Change to another channel you want, and then to pair the remote with this blind. It can pair up to 15 channels, and if you want you want 2 of them to move together, we're gonna switch to 0-0 mode, and then they can go up and go down together. If you want to control only one blind, like if I want to control channel 2, I just press to channel 2 and okay, stop.